Introducing new 3D font engine for Nobound 3D version 5. Part 1. Functions. Demonstration of new Nobound 3D font engine's flexibility. New font engine works well with complex Korean and Chinese characters. The engine enhances outline functionalities more. The engine provides flexibilities for various transformations. The engine can change the character's stroke weight dynamically. The outline of the character can be alpha blended. And can be used as glow effects. And generally used as anti-aliasing for smooth edge rendering. Outline thickness is adjustable. Various transformations can be applied. Next demonstration shows new rendering quality of the small character rendering. Anti-aliased versus non-anti-aliased. New anti-aliasing method enhances the readability at any character sizes. Anti-aliasing weights can be adjustable by outlining parameters. Part 2. Performance. D3DX font versus Nobound 3D font. Rendering D3DX font without text change. Rendering Nobound 3D font without text change. Next benchmark is a test with text change. Rendering D3DX font with text update. Rendering Nobound 3D font with text update. Nobound 3D font engine is 10% faster when render without text changes, and 20 times faster when render with text update. Nobound 3D font engine runs on DirectX and OpenGLES. For more information, visit code3.co.kr.